The advantages of investing in a 4-bedroom single-attached house in Cauayan City during the early stages of project development through Pag-ibig financing. More importantly, a 4-bedroom house is not just an investment in property. It's an investment in your family's comfort, security, and future. With ample living space, multiple bedrooms, and strategic accessibility to schools, hospitals, shopping centers, and business establishments, it provides both lifestyle convenience and long-term financial value. This investment opportunity offers 6 major advantages. Secure a 4-bedroom house at introductory pricing before future price increases. Enjoy a spacious and functional home featuring 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and baths, living area, dining area, kitchen area, terrace, and carport provision. Benefits from a strategic location just minutes away from SM City Kawayan, Primark Market, schools, hospitals, banks, and commercial establishments. Own your dream 4-bedroom house through flexible Pag-ibig financing with terms of up to 30 years. Take advantage of interest-free down payment terms payable over 1 to 2 years based on affordability. Secure your preferred house model, large size block, and location through early reservation before inventory becomes limited. For more details, message us today.